Good day, this is Irvins, and I will be your music teacher for today. Good day! Our topic for this quarter is all about the music of the 20th century. First things first, what is a century? Unsa din ang century, sir? A century is a period of 100 years. So therefore, in 1 century, there are how many? There are 100 years. Next question. What is 20th century? So don't tell me, sir, ika-20 nga century. Exactly. That's correct. Mao ni ang ika-20 nga century since the beginning of the year after Christ died. It is the century that began on January 1, 1901 and ended on December 31, 2000. Kung atong tan-awon, we are now done in the 20th century na human na ta since ang 20th century na human pagka December 31 in the year 2000. So since it's already 2020, we are now in the 21st century. So therefore, 21st century started on January 1, 2001 and will end on December 31, 2100. See? Kadugay pagiday mahuman. Grasyahan na lang kung makaabot pataan ng mga tuiga, no? So since our topic is all about music of the 20th century, let us watch the evolution of music started from the primitive years o sa katuigan ng mga nilang labay up to the present nga inyong nahibaw nga music, Blackpink, BTS, usapan na diha. So let's begin with the music on the primitive years, sa pinakakaraan ng mga years. Okay, so let's watch this.
Salve Regina.
Okay, so now to see the primitive years or the music of the primitive years. And now, let's proceed to the music of the 20th century.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are
Yari yari yari, ori 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 ori, gila di da do.
He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He's in the army now, I'm blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
Because you're mine, I walk the line.
Una poca de gracia. When the light was gone and the lamp was died, oh stand, oh stand, ba 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 ba.
I wanna hold your hands. I wanna hold your R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Take it, T-C-T. A-B-C. That's easy as 1, 2, 3. As simple as do, re, mi. A-B-C. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me.
No, 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 no.
Mamma mia, mamma mia,
Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has the devil put aside for me, for me, for me. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebration, celebration.
Oh,
Don't stop, believe it, cause this is Thriller. Hey, a Thriller night. Can't touch this.
Kiss me, baby, one more time. Say my name, when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You're a running game. Oh, I
Okay, and that was the music of the 20th century. Actually, napay daghan nga mga music. For the last one, we have the music of the 21st century. So, mauni ang mga music nga inyong namatan, nga inyong nakitaan na dunggan. Okay, so let's watch this.
Hey, I don't want to meet your daddy. I remember when I lost my mind. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh,
I kissed a girl and I liked it. Taste of her cherry chapstick.
Roma, Roma, ma, gaga, ooh la la.
I got a feeling, ooh, that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good
Baby, baby, baby,
Some nights I stay up, catching in my bed.
now you're just somebody that call me maybe.
So now, let's take a look with this timeline. This is the timeline of the 20th century, starting from the year 1901 until the year 2000. So for our lesson for this quarter, we will be going to focus on the classical music of the 20th century, which took place on the year 1901 up to the year 1950s. Let's begin. We'll be having a listening activity. And I am requesting you to prepare a pen and a sheet of paper. I will be playing two sample music of the 20th century, and I am requesting you to write your impression on the music, write what you feel on the music, or list down the characteristics na inyong nabantayan on the sample music that I will be playing. So again, prepare a pen and a sheet of paper because I will be playing two sample music of the 20th century, and I am requesting you to write your impression on the music, what you feel, or list down the characteristics or kung unsa man yung nabantayan, unsa inyong ikasulti sa music, write it in the sheet of paper because this will be your output for today. So are you now ready? Please do listen carefully with the music. So pwede rin mong piyong, inyong isuwat kung unsa inyong na-feel, inyong gibati, unsa inyong bantayan sa music. Kamu na ibahala, okay? So let's now begin. Music number 1, Clair de Lune by Claude Debussy. Music number 2, Gory Leader by Arnold Schoenberg. Are you done? Those are the two sample music of the 20th century. Actually, daghan pa, but duha lang usaha ako ang i-prepare for you. Compare the distinct musical elements of the two musical pieces being played earlier. Balik ko na ako, i-compare kung unsa may kalainan, unsa bantayan sa mga elements sa duha ka musical pieces nga akong gi-play kaganiha. Let me end this class with a quote to thunder. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. See you next week.